Hey, today I'm doing an unboxing of the RK Royal Kludge RK71 wireless RGB mechanical gaming keyboard. That's the brown switches. Before I start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. And let's get started. So this one has, I think, 1000 milliamps battery, Bluetooth. And there you go. Here's the keyboard. Let's take it out first. And inside the box, you've got some manuals, a USB, I think it's a USB-C. Yeah, it's a USB-C. And this is the magnetic legs. Yeah, these are magnetic legs. Manuals are in Chinese or Japanese, I don't know. Let's put it aside. So here's the thing. I'm gonna weigh it right now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. So let's see. The thing is not working well, but it weighs a 616 grams, I think. It's quite heavy. So let's take a look. Here's a keyboard. This is the I didn't get any keyboard extractor, which is fine. So how do I turn it on here? Very nice. I think the battery is done, so we have to charge it. Let's charge it. As you can see, this is a USB-C. So right now it's charging. When it's charging, you can see that the spacebar is on. It feels very nice. Yeah, very nice keyboard. I don't know why it turns on and turns off. Thing is, I can't verify if it's a blue or the red or It doesn't say what color is the switch. Anyways, thank you for watching. See you. Bye.